After studying these three basic concepts of mean, median, and mode, let us discuss what is the relationship between the three. There is a standard relationship between these three measures, and the relationship is if you find out the difference between mean and mode, the difference comes always 3 times the difference of the mean and median. What does it mean? It means if we represent the mean by the x bar, mode is always represented by z. So the difference between the mean and mode is always 3 times the difference of the mean and the median. Median is always represented by the capital M. If we focus on this formula, we can also see that mean is equal to 3 times mean minus 3 median. One way of remembering this relationship is this first, and another way of remembering this relationship is you just take this value here, z, you take this here, so it becomes minus 2 mean, and this value also on the left side of the equation. The other way around is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. There is two way of studying the relationship between mean, median, mode. First, this. Second, mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 mean. So we have, remember, in case if some numerical appear in front of you and they ask you to calculate mean, median, mode, all the three, need not to calculate all the three. We can use this relationship. We can calculate mode, we can calculate median. After doing that much of exercise, need not to do exercise on the third. Simply use this relationship, calculate any two variable. आप इन तीनों में से कोई भी दो वेरिएबल को आप calculate कर लें and then put in the relationship and identify the third variable. But remember, there is one very important concept which we have studied about the skewness and kurtosis. Remember, in this, when there is no skewness, when there is no kurtosis, means distribution is normal. In that case, mean, median, mode is always equal. Mean, median, mode is always equal. This is a very important property when we study the normal distribution, that means symmetrical distribution. So in the case when the distribution not symmetrical, what does it say? It's said to be skewed. और जब skewed होता है, and this we have already taken in the section of the chapter, in the section which we have covered dispersion, that when the skewed होता है जब data, the mean, median, mode equal नहीं होते हैं. When the positive skewness होती है, positive skewness, the relationship is always mean always greater than the median, which is further greater than the mode. So make sure that when positive skewness happen, mean is the greatest value. And when there is a negative skewness is there, just reverse of it happens. Mean becomes the smallest one, then median, and then mode becomes the largest one. So this relationships in different conditions. This is a relationship when the distribution is symmetrical, then normal distribution. When the distribution is skewed, the relationship becomes this. When the skewness becomes negative skewness, the relationship becomes this. Otherwise, standard way relationship always goes with this equation, and the simplest form of writing the above expression is this. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. From where this has appeared, you see, this has been derived from the standard relationship. So these three parameters are interrelated with each other as it is given there.